Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola One Ace. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's go to settings and enter security. Go to screen lock. As you can see right now, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. And let's start with the top of the list, so let's select none. Now when there is no security, we can select swipe, which is also not non-security screen unlock. So now let's select first security screen unlock, which is pin, containing at least 4 numbers. Next, let's select password. That must have at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern. That must be connected with at least 4 dots. Now when it's done, we can go to Face Unlock, select Setup, and simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.